Diseños en Papel, and this is the tutorial and how did I construct the lamp that I previously showed you. So for both sides, this is the base. Let's start with the base. Here is going to be here, and you will see at the end everything more clearly, but we need two pieces of chipboard. The size is 8 inches by 7, both of them, and in one of them, because we are going to connect here the electricity, we need to put this inside here, so it's going to show up only this part. So I open this window, and the way that I made it is I found the center here, the middle, and then I just put this here and calculate where I wanted to open this window. So, and I took some measures, but I draw a lot of times, as you can watch here, until I was satisfied with this opening. Okay, and then for the sides here, there are two pieces, and the size is 8 by 3 inches. And then this is for the back, because here is going to be a drawer, and the size is 6 inches and 13/16 for 3 inches. But also, because this is going to be here, I need to separate this space here, so the drawer is going to be this size only, and this is going to give more support here. So this size is 2 3/4 of an inch by 6 and 13 by 16 inches. What I recommend you is that maybe you need to cut more, or use this to found the size that you really need for each one. That's what I made, and I hope it's helpful for you. And then for the sides here, I'm going to make two pieces just exactly the same, and these are the sides is 10 by 8 inches, and then this is going to be here, this is going to be in the top, and this is going to be in the bottom, and let me see, this is going to be at the back. Okay, so the size for the up and the bottom is 8 by 2.5 inches, and in the back is 9 by 7/8 of an inch by 2.5 inches. I already start one. What I did already, I glued down these two parts, the bottom, and this is going to be now glued down here. So, and then this is going to be here. Okay, it's easy. The only thing you need to do is keep gluing and gluing and gluing, and then reinforce it with, I use this tape. This is paper. It's a craft paper, but it has glue here, and I just need to wet this, and then I can make all the reinforcements inside and outside. So let's glue this down. down all the center part. So this is going to be like this, and then I need to glue this down. But first I want to show you, I already glued this down and I already reinforce it this, because I want to be really strong here. So, and it's going to be easier to do this before I glue and make all, I don't know exactly how I'm going to do it, but we'll figure it out. I think something will come up and I think it's going to be fine. I hope so. Let's try this a bit. Okay. Now the idea is to put this, the support, inner support here. Remember, this needs to be glued here. I already draw a line where I want it, because as this is going to be the cover, remember this piece, it's going to show up here. Okay, so what I need to do is to stop it here, and the line is 3 3/8 of an inch from the back to the center. In 3 sides I already made exactly the same. So, and now I'm going to put the glue here. Oh no, I think it's going to be easier if I glue this and I follow the line to glue this down. This is the first time that I am making this project, so I'm going to be resolving everything as soon as the troubles show up. I mean, you know what I mean. There is no science for this, but there are so many things to resolve on the way. Okay, let's find the line. This is the place, and this, yep, and yep, and then we need to hold this until this dries. Okay, I need to double check here. Okay, now it's 3 3/8. 3 3/8. Okay, so hold this for a while. This glue is fast, but you need to be sure it's really holding here. I'm not sure if this is too short. We'll see. Yeah, it is too short. I'm sure now. This is going to be here at the back, and then this is going to be in here, and then we are going to put the drawer here. So okay, and now the next step, okay, let me clean this just a bit, because we need to reinforce this with this tacky paper. Remember this one?